In a significant boost to India's defence manufacturing capabilities, Alpha Tocol Engineering Services handed over to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited the first rear fuselage for the light combat aircraft Mk1A produced by the Indian private sector. The ceremony, held at HAL's aircraft division in Bengaluru, was attended by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who lauded the event as a key milestone in India's journey towards self-reliance in defence production. The handover marks a step forward in integrating private industry into the supply chain for India's indigenous fighter jet program. HAL has placed orders with several Indian private firms, including Larsen & Toubro, Alpha Tocol Engineering Services, Tata Advanced Systems Limited, VEM Technologies and Lakshmi Machine Works for the supply of major modules as part of the contract to manufacture 83 LCA Mk1A jets. Indian Air Force till now has got 38 of the first 40 Tejas Mk1 fighters under two contracts in 2006 and 2010. The first improved Tejas Mk1A jets out of 83 contracted in 2021 is yet to be delivered. The order for another 97 Tejas Mk1A fighters is also in the pipeline. The almost 2-year delay in delivery of 99 GE404 engines by the United States firm General Electric is one of the main reasons for the delay in Tejas fighters. According to HAL, it has already produced 12 rear fuselage assemblies for the LCA Mk1A, which are currently in the manufacturing pipeline. With the latest supply from the private sector, HAL aims to accelerate production and meet the Indian Air Force's additional delivery commitments from 2025-2026 onwards.
Our borders, a symbol of strength, guarded by our brave warriors. As the proverb goes, armor strengthens the greatest warrior. A1's fences are that armor for the armed forces. A1 Fence delivers quality in every inch, products, services, and insights, providing solutions, tackling every challenge in any terrain or condition. A1 Fence, securing our borders silently.